Welcome back to Barry's Drawing Club. In today's video, we will draw Surge from Brawl Stars step by step. So let's get started. First, we draw his star on his head. Draw a V here, followed by lower one. Now drawing the glasses, we will draw it this big. Then we will draw his head. Moving on to his teeth, we will draw it this big. Put 3 lines here, separate the teeth. And then the head, to complete the head, we will draw it the jaw. We will now draw the earphone, ear accessories here, and the antenna. And same with the other one, and the antenna. Now we will draw his body part. First, we will draw the triangle here. It's approximately this big, followed by the circle beneath. Now his body will be approximately this big. So we just continue from here. Up to here. Draw a line here to separate the battery. Then draw a box here for the battery level. Circle here. The thunder logo here. And the battery level we set it here. We draw a box here. And the disc, this here is for the disc slot. for the buttons. Now we move to his lower body part and his leg. For the leg part, we will draw the accessories first. Don't forget to draw a circle here with the same Thunder logo. Finish the leg. Same with the other one. Circle here for the logo. And finish this leg. Now onto his arm. We will draw the ring on his finger first. Finger showing metal. To finish off, we will draw his shoulder. Below his shoulder, there's a black thing here, accessories. And to finish off this one. Same with the other one. We will draw his ring first. Followed by shoulder. Now the metal arm, metal finger. Let's see what we're missing here. That should be it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Goodbye.